What's up, guys? Today we're here with Type S and this Lexus LC500. We're gonna be installing a ProSeries exterior smart LED lighting kit. All right, so we've got our ProSeries exterior LED lighting kit. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what we've got inside. Got our quick installation guide. It's got a 7-step process on how to install the lights, as well as your third LED brake light, and some QR codes for the Type S app. The next thing you'll get is your two 60-inch exterior LED strips. And the final thing will be your front and rear LED strips and a third brake light if you so choose to install that. You've got a front and a rear smart hub, as well as one that controls both sides. You can actually connect these to the Type S app on your phone and control your LED lights on the fly. Okay, so our first step is gonna be to locate and disconnect the battery. From there, we'll get the car in the air so that we can get underneath and prep the surface for the install of our LED lights. So now that the car's in the air, we're gonna try and visualize where we're gonna place the LED strips. And we wanna be mindful not to block any hardware or panels that we might need to remove for access to an oil drain plug or a fuse box. So this looks like a safe spot for our LED strip. We're gonna clean the area with alcohol, apply the adhesion promoter, and stick the strip on. So isopropyl alcohol is really good at removing grease and oils without leaving behind a film. So now that we've cleaned the area with the alcohol pads and applied the adhesion promoter, we can peel the backing off of our LED strip and apply it to the car. So this car, the battery is located in the back, and because of that, we've chosen to put the smart hubs back there. They don't have to go directly next to the battery because they do have a few feet of wire on them, but we've chosen to do so because we're gonna run a power switch for the lights. And in doing so, we've been mindful that during our LED light install, all the power wires for the lights flow towards our smart hub to where they don't have to backtrack over the length of the light. So we've got all the power cables ran. You can get creative with this, but just be sure not to run them next to sources of heat or in areas where they could get dragged off the car. Our next step is gonna be to plug in the smart hubs, mount them, and really finish off this install. I just get smashed.
Good.
1, 2, and 3.
Ready?
Alright, we're gonna go nut on. And then there we go. Here. Yeet. Look at that. Look at that.
All the lights come on.
So this is our final install. You can see we've kind of tucked some of the wires away. We've installed a switch, so if he wants to put the car away for a long-term storage, he can just easily click them off. They'll be switched ground, no power to go to them. We're gonna put the last little plate in, and then we've chosen to go with a Velcro for these. So that completes our install of the ProSeries exterior smart LED lighting kit on this LC500. Head on over to typesauto.com for all your other interior and exterior LED accessories.